Okay, so when you're installing your slides on your slide floor tray, what you're going to notice is we've got the holes marked on the slides themselves to the corresponding PEM nuts that are pressed into the aluminum tray. So don't use a hammer drill or anything to put these in. Use hand tools, okay? This way you don't cross thread them and you also don't pop the PEM nuts out. So what we're going to do is when you go to put these 3 screws in our marked locations, if you find that the holes are really tight in alignment with the PEM nuts, you can take the next size larger than 1/4 inch drill, and if you drill out the corresponding 3 holes on the slide itself, not on the aluminum tray, and open the holes up a little bit, that gives you about a 1/16 of an inch on all 3 screws if you need to. We try and be as accurate as we can when we're lasering these with the dimensions and everything. So they're going to go straight in, and all you do is put them in and just put them hand tight. So if you've got a 1/4 inch ratchet that you're using to put them in, don't torque them down. These, once they go in tight, they're in. And we can install the slide floor as one unit, sliding it in underneath your tailgate latch plate in place.